This is a story of a young man. The young man went to a Zen monk and said, "Master, I have a problem. I sometimes love some set of people and after some time I hate the same set of people. What can I do?" The Zen monk said, "Okay, tomorrow you can come to this place called the Room of Mirrors. I will meet you there." And saying that, he sent the young man. The next day, the young man went to the Room of Mirrors. There he saw the monk waiting for him. He went there and the monk said, "You can go in. I will be waiting for you inside." And as he said that, he opened the door, let the man in and closed it. The man was first excited to see. All the whole room was filled with mirrors. On the sides it was full of mirrors. On the ceiling it also had mirrors, even on the ground. Wherever he saw, there were only mirrors. He was very happy seeing this place. Then he saw thousands of happy faces looking at him. He was confused. Then many confused faces looked back at him. Then he got very angry. Then after he became angry, he saw thousands of angry faces looking at him. He got very scared and he did not know it was just his reflection. He ran out of the place scared. Then he met the Zen monk again. The Zen monk asked, "What happened inside?" The man narrated everything. The Zen monk smiled and said, "Now do you learn your lesson?" The young man agreed. So friends, what do you think is the lesson that the young man had learned? So, I will tell you the lesson. The mirrors are nothing but the people, your hated ones or your loved ones. They are the people. They are nothing but your own reflection. They are just like you. I hope you understand and learned your lesson too. Thank you.